In the world of software development, creating robust and reliable applications is paramount. Two popular methodologies, test-driven development or TDD and behavior-driven development, BDD, offer distinct approaches to achieve this goal. While both emphasize testing as an integral part of the development lifecycle, they differ in their scope and focus. TDD, as the name suggests, is driven by tests at the code level. It promotes writing tests before writing the actual code, ensuring that every piece of functionality has associated tests. BDD, on the other hand, takes a more holistic view, focusing on the behavior of the system from the user's perspective. It emphasizes collaboration among developers, testers, and business stakeholders to define acceptance criteria in a clear and understandable language. This essay delves into the intricacies of TDD and BDD, exploring their definitions, processes, benefits, and challenges. By understanding the nuances of each approach, developers can make informed decisions about which methodology best suits their project's needs. Ultimately, the choice between TDD and BDD depends on factors such as project complexity, team structure, and communication requirements. Test-driven development, or TDD, is a software development process that emphasizes writing tests before writing the actual code. It follows a simple yet effective cycle: red-green refactor. The process begins by writing a failing test, or red. Then, developers write the minimum code to pass the test, green. Finally, the code is refactored to improve its design. The benefits of TDD are numerous. TDD leads to higher code quality, catching bugs early. It also facilitates code refactoring and maintenance. Behavior-driven development, or BDD, emphasizes collaboration and communication among stakeholders. It bridges the gap between technical and business teams using a shared language. BDD focuses on the why behind the code, ensuring software meets business goals. User stories describe interactions and expected outcomes. These are translated into scenarios in Gherkin. Scenarios serve as executable specifications, fostering collaboration. Section 4. Key differences: BDD versus TDD. While BDD and TDD share the goal of improving software quality, they differ in their approach and scope. TDD focuses on testing individual units of code, while BDD takes a more holistic view, testing the behavior of the system as a whole. TDD is primarily a developer-centric approach, while BDD emphasizes collaboration among all stakeholders. Another key difference lies in the language used. TDD typically uses programming languages to write tests, while BDD employs a human-readable language like Gherkin. This makes BDD scenarios more accessible to non-technical stakeholders, facilitating communication and understanding. Furthermore, TDD tests are typically written at a lower level, focusing on the internal workings of the code. In contrast, BDD tests are written at a higher level, focusing on the system's behavior from the user's perspective. This difference in granularity reflects the different goals of the two methodologies. Section 5. Choosing the right methodology, BDD or TDD. The choice between BDD and TDD depends on the specific needs of the project. TDD is well suited for projects where the requirements are well defined up front, and the focus is on ensuring the correctness of individual units of code. It is particularly beneficial for complex algorithms, data structures, and other low-level components. BDD, on the other hand, is a better fit for projects where collaboration and communication are crucial. It is particularly useful for projects with complex business logic, a large number of stakeholders, or where the user experience is paramount. In some cases, a combination of both methodologies can be employed. For instance, TDD can be used to develop the core logic of the application, while BDD can be used to test the system's behavior from the user's perspective. Section 6. Conclusion. In conclusion, both TDD and BDD are valuable methodologies that can significantly enhance the software development process. TDD excels at ensuring code correctness and facilitating refactoring, while BDD fosters collaboration and ensures that the software meets business goals. Choosing the right methodology depends on the specific project requirements, team structure, and communication needs. By carefully considering these factors, developers can leverage the strengths of each approach to build robust, reliable, and user-centric software applications.